Hey guys, how you going? I'm here at my garage right now, and yeah, nobody cares, but I'm in my garage. I usually have it set up upstairs, but I'm here updating my drones. I have a Mavic uh, Pro 2 and this Mini 2 from DJI, and I love this little thing. But yeah, I just heard news today that you can use the smart controller, which is this. Has my name on it, but yeah, the smart controller to control this. You just need to update it. So yeah, I'm updating it now. So yeah, so if you have a smart controller and you have a Mini 2, you can update, you can use it. Yeah, this is not a technical review. I'm just telling you all. Just today's the 16th of June here in Australia, and I just realized that, and it's so cool, right? You can use only this controller for all your drones. Well, most of your drones. You can use it with the Air, Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Air 2S, and you can use it with the Mini 2. So awesome. By the way, this video, I don't know, I just want to make it. It's not technical or anything. All you need to do is just update this and you're good to go. You just have to link your aircraft to it. You can see a lot of YouTube videos. But yeah, sorry, not technical. See ya guys. Sorry for trolling guys. Bye.